This Smeg Electric Kettle is a refined kitchen essential that lets you heat water with a cordless countertop to tabletop convenience. The chic retro design features a stainless steel spout, soft opening lid, and ergonomic chrome handle so table service is always comfortable and easy. Plus, the removable limescale filter keeps your water pure and clean. That means your coffee or tea will taste like it should. Every cup, every time. Available in an array of bright vintage colors powder-coated to a glossy enamel finish. The Smeg Kettle is constructed from stainless steel with a polished chrome swivel base that turns in any direction so you can lift the kettle with ease. Durable, functional, original, and beautiful. The Smeg Electric Kettle is backed by the manufacturer's 1-year hassle-free repair or replace warranty. Measures 8.9 inches length by 6.7 inches width by 9.8 inches height. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Features of the Smeg Electric Kettle include 50's style 7-cup capacity electric kettle with soft opening lid, powder-coated steel exterior. Stainless steel ball lever knob and spout celebrates the originality, quality, and advanced technology of Italian design. Concealed 1500-watt heating element, double water indication light, auto shut off at 212 Fahrenheit, and when the kettle is empty, removable stainless steel limescale filter, anti-slip polished chrome 360. Swivel base with built-in cord wrap, manufacturer's 1-year hassle-free repair or replace warranty. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 56 Oz, 7 cups capacity. Number 2. Soft opening lid. Number 3. Auto shut off at 100 Celsius, 212 Fahrenheit. Number 4. 3D logo. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.